Today we're going to cover window bars installation. Let's open it up. You'll see there's pockets. With these come standard wall plugs and screws for if you're going into concrete, with a little decorative cover cap if you need it. What you start off with, open your measurements for the window itself to make sure that the bar will fit, and then any obstacles that might be in your way, like handle, stays, we're going to try and position them. Extend it, let it rest, grab the second one, let it rest. Make sure that you are away from your stay so your windows are still open on both of them, and that the maximum gap between will be from center to center 135 millimeters. What we're going to do is we're going to put it on the edge in the front to make sure that you are away from your handle, so the handle is still easy to operate behind the bar system, saying that the bar will end up right in front of it. In today's installation we will only be using an 8 gauge because you don't want to damage the concrete on the bottom at the moment. We don't want to penetrate that much. We just want to put up the bar as a deterrent rather than 100% safety measurement. If you want to do it with those, what you would have done is shift it backwards so that you can't break out the concrete that is under the wood. That makes it harder, of course, to operate your window handle. That is why we actually step it forward rather than back and just go into the wood itself. If you want to use the screws that is applied, if you'll be using the plug into the concrete, you will drill an 8mm hole into the concrete, knock the plug in, so the length will be determined by your plug itself. You will have a little plastic grub screw. The screw goes into the plastic casing and then gets screwed up through the metal into the plug, all the way down. You can take the white little cap, press it on, and it will be a white fixture on a white bar system. Space is a little bit limited, so we try just to put the level on it to make sure that it's level. Screw up, double check, try to stay between the two lines. The more in the middle you are of the two lines, the more level you are. The second one will be a little bit easier because you know you're going to be on the same line. So you can put your first screw, double check that you are level, which in this case we need to pivot a little bit. That's it, all done. So you can see bars are strong, your stays is freely openable, so you can open it without any interference. The tools that you can use is any type of screw, 8 gauge up to a 10 gauge. The whole size will cater for a 10 gauge screw. Today we've used the square drive number 2, just a 8 gauge 8x28 sure fix screw to go into the wood, and of course any type of level will do, and just to make sure that you are correct and precise.